Alexa and Google Assistant controls, 3 A's to control your robot vacuum cleaner, app or voice or button touch. Voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant to start and stop cleaning. Choose which works best for you. Gyroscope navigation system, D400 Robot Vacuum Cleaner will plan the best path before cleaning, for less duplication, maximum coverage area, by its gyroscope maps to remember the areas it has already reached. Works well on hardwood, tile, marble and hard carpet floor. Only clean where at, with the virtual boundary and super slim 2.77-inch body, Robot D400 will reach tight, awkward, hard to reach places, and only cleans the areas you want. Super quiet clean, Coredy D400 Robot Vacuum Cleaner keeps the noise at a low level even in maximum suction mode, supports up to 120 minutes of extremely quiet but strong suction cleaning with 1400 pascals.